Imagine giving youth the tools to express themselves, build confidence, and to channel their energy in positive and constructive ways, all through the power of music and DJing. Greetings, I'm Musa, the founder of Young Professional DJs, which is a program that has been empowering youth through DJing and creative music expression for over a decade. And this all started when I noticed a need in my community for something positive, something that would engage young people in a way that would give them a way to express themselves constructively. For me, hip hop was that outlet when I was young. I really took to the 4 elements of hip hop, especially DJing. This gave me purpose, direction, and a way to turn my energy into something meaningful. And this is the main reason why I created Young Professional DJs, to provide this opportunity for today's young people. Young Professional DJs is a hands-on program that takes young people, many of whom have never touched DJ equipment before, and transforms them into confident, skilled DJs who can rock a live show. We start with the basics: how to set up and connect DJ equipment from old school turntables to modern controllers and beat machines. Then we dive into essential DJ skills like mixing, scratching, sound engineering. But what really makes this program truly special is how we end. Every program culminates in a live performance where the youth curate their own music, promote their own event, and perform in front of their community. It's a moment that builds their confidence, leadership skills, and creativity. What's most inspiring is the impact that this program has had on so many young people's lives. I've had, years later, young people who have grown up come up to me, to find me in the street, and they tell me, "Musa, your DJ program changed my life." So I really believe that programs like this, it really gives something for the youth to look forward to. Take Matthew, for example. Matthew joined Young Professional DJs in our program at New Vista High School, and he developed a real passion for DJing.
My name is Matthew McQuirk. I'm pretty much a University of Northern Colorado alumni. I really got my start when I met Musa and started learning about the basics of beat matching and mixing, and I kind of got focused on turntablism as I got more into it, and so currently I would consider myself a turntablist DJ.
Now he is one of Colorado's top scratch DJs, and he performs all over the state. This is an example of the transformation that this program creates. Through this music and through DJing, these young people aren't just learning technical skills. They're learning creativity, they're learning teamwork, communication, and how to express themselves in front of an audience. They're building confidence and creating positive habits that will carry them through life. But here's the thing, we need your help to keep this momentum going and to scale it even further. So we're raising $50,000 to expand Young Professional DJs and to reach more youth in more communities. This funding will allow us to purchase the state-of-the-art DJ equipment needed for our programs. This will provide more workshops, summer camps, and performances. And this will also allow us to create opportunities for young people to discover their potential and thrive. So every dollar that you donate helps create all of these transformative opportunities. Together, we can inspire the next generation of creative entrepreneurs, and we can keep young people on a positive path.